How to fix sending failed on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually fix sending failed on Messenger, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix sending failed on Messenger, let's say that you're trying to send someone a specific message in this case, but it simply says sending failed and then you're not being able to send that person any type of relative messages. Now in that case, what you just need to do is you first of all want to make sure that you have connected your phone to your internet connection. So just make sure that your internet is actually connected just fine. If Wi-Fi doesn't work, also just try to switch to cellular data and then see if that helps you solve your problem. If that doesn't, then sometimes the reason could also be because the other person has actually blocked you. So most likely this person could have blocked me. That is why if I'm just trying to send a message in this case, I might not be able to do so. It says that this person isn't available on Messenger or something like that. So if that doesn't work, you can just try to call or audio call or video call that person. Now last but not the least, what you want to do is simply go ahead and long press on the Messenger app icon here, then just tap the I button that you see. It'll take you to the app information page directly. Once you're on this page, you want to simply scroll down to storage, go to clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data and then click on delete. Once you clear the cache files and data and delete it, just open up your Play Store or your App Store, and then in the search box you simply want to type in Messenger, and then once you type in Messenger, check if the Messenger app has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these solutions may have helped solve your problem, and if it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.